it's Renee here, and today I'm going to show you the start of a brand new junk journal and what we're going to do with that. I may keep it, I may sell it. So you want to stick around and keep watching that. So let's go. So the junk journal I'm making today, I am doing right from scratch. And I've got already the papers pulled, and I'm doing 5 signatures to this one. So there's all my papers. As I put them into the journal and I go from there, I will either maybe rip the edges, or I might cut them or fold them or do whatever. With this one, I have 12 pages per signature. So that would mean then once you fold it, 24 sheets, if that makes sense. So there's 12 pages, but folded that makes for 24. And I have 5 of these. They're an assortment of things between coffee dyed or avocado dyed papers. I have graph papers. I have a few digitals, not many. Older papers. I have bags. I have watercolor paper. So I have thicker paper so we can do mixed media and all kinds of things. Some things from books. I have some wallpaper and ledger, all kinds of things. So with this one, this is old wrapping paper. So we'll deal with that. So these all have to go into our journal. And I have started the journal. So this is the journal. I made this one and it measures, let's measure this. Doing in inches here. It is 11.5 by 9.5 inches. So this is the journal. This was an old box. I believe it was a cornflakes box. I have painted just the spine area, so I painted that white. I added some papers. I did some inking just to kind of make it look somewhat oldish. I added an eyelet, and I added the corners, the metal corners. So this is the inside. On the inside, I've already measured my holes so I can do my signatures. And the measurements for these, I did centimeters, so I'm sorry for Americans if you don't do centimeters. But my centimeters down, so from the top to the bottom, I did 4.6, 13.5, and 25.5. I could have actually measured that and had it so it was like 4.5 or 4 or whatever. But I eyeballed it with my papers, and then I drew the dots, I drew the lines, made sure everything was even, and then I measured it. So the next step would be for us to secure these with paper clips on either side, measure up from the middle spine, the middle sheet, and put our dots on there so we can get out the awl and actually start attaching it. What I might do before then though is I will probably start to decorate a few of the sheets or add different pieces to it so we can put it in our book. It might be easier to do it now than later. So I'm going to do that, and then we will assemble the book. And like I said, I may or may not do a ton of things to this because I haven't decided yet if I'm going to keep this one or sell it. And if I sell it, it will be on Etsy. So for anybody interested, it will be available possibly to purchase. So this is going to be a 2-part video. Sorry for those of you that don't like 2-part videos, but it will be a 2-parter because I'm showing you now what we're going to be doing. And then in the next video, we will be adding some of the stuff, or I may have already added, and I will show you what I did. But I am going to, if I do have this for somebody for sale, I'm not adding a ton of touches, but there will be a bunch of things that will come with the journal, like I always do. So you can add it to your journal if you choose to. like tags and ephemera and little die cut bits and whatnot. So like I said, we do have older stuff in here. We do have some digitals, but I didn't do many in this one. But the big thing with this one is I did add mixed media sheets. So there is thicker papers, like 144-pound weight paper. So you could do mixed media if that's what you enjoy. I know with me, I do in mine. So I figured, why wouldn't somebody else? And if you don't do mixed media, it's just a thicker paper for you to add whatever onto. So make sure you hit that subscribe and the all, so you get all of my videos as they come about, because this one will be coming up very soon. And I would love for you to follow along and see what we're doing and check it out. And if you like my videos, make sure to hit that like. I really appreciate your support. It really helps me a lot. But there's tons more content coming, my friends. So make sure you check this out and check out my Instagram. Links are down below. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day.